Which statement best describes the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Okay, so this question is pretty straightforward. It's just wanting us to figure out some of the differences between our two major cell types, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a little T chart, and this will help us as we do our brainstorming. Okay, so on this side, we're going to brainstorm anything that we remember about prokaryotes. Okay, so remember that pro means no. So no nucleus, no membrane-bound organelles. Remember that they do have DNA, but that DNA is just floating around in the cell. It's not inside of a nucleus. It doesn't have that extra layer of protection. Okay, it does have some ribosomes to make proteins, but it does not have those membrane-bound organelles like chloroplasts and a mitochondria and things like that. Okay, because prokaryotes really don't have much, they have DNA and some ribosomes, we say that they're simple. Okay, they don't have a lot to them, so they're just simple, a simple type of cell. Okay, now if we are talking about eukaryotes, okay, remember that U means do. So they do have a nucleus and those membrane-bound organelles. So eukaryotes, like the type of cell that you have, you are eukaryotic, all of your cells are going to have a nucleus, and they're going to have those membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, chloroplasts if it's a plant cell, or something else that's an autotroph. Okay, remember, we also do have DNA, but that DNA is inside of the nucleus. We also have ribosomes and all of the other organelles. Okay, and because eukaryotes have all of this stuff, they have the nucleus, they have the membrane-bound organelles, they have DNA, they have ribosomes, we call them complex. They have more parts to them. They're more complicated. Okay, so now that we have brainstormed some things, okay, remember also because eukaryotes are so complex, they're going to tend to be the larger cell type because they have to fit all of those different things, okay, the organelles and the DNA and the nucleus and all of that. So use this chart of what we just brainstormed to figure out which answer choice best describes the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes.